Fancy Kids, Arts, Crafts, Science, and more!
Hi guys! Today we're gonna make a popsicle launcher. For that, we will need 4 popsicle sticks, 2 buttons, 1 piece of plastic straw, 1 earbud, 1 rubber band, and a glue gun. You can color or decorate your popsicle sticks of your choice. Next, we'll get our 4 popsicle sticks and we'll glue the same color on top of each other, like this. And we'll do the same thing with the other color. If you're small, ask a grown-up for help. We will hot glue on the popsicle sticks like this. Next, we will glue on the buttons like this. Next, we get our straw and we will attach it like this. Right? Now, next we get a rubber band and then we have to arrange it in a way to make the earbud slingshot. And we will arrange it like this. Now it's time to test. First, we have to get our earbud and put it inside the straw. We'll get this rubber band, bring it out of this, and then when you're ready, you'll just release the rubber band. And it shot away! I hope you enjoyed our craft. Bye, you guys!
Behind the scenes.
So guys, you can color the popsicle sticks of erasers. Next, we will glue the buttons. Who told you to talk?